How to copy captions from TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily copy captions from TikTok. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to our channel. Now, without any further ado, let's see how you can do this. But before we begin, make sure to hit the bell icon as well so you get notified about our latest uploads. First thing first, open up your TikTok application and make sure that you are logged in. Now you just want to find the caption which you want to copy. So I've got a post here that I would like to copy the caption from. What you're going to have to do is tap on more option and select the part where you want to copy. So let's say if I just scroll it like this, um, what you're gonna do is the only way to copy caption on TikTok is to first take a screenshot of it like this. And after doing so, you're gonna open your screenshot from your phone's gallery. All right, so once you have opened up the gallery, on the top corner, you'll find the eye icon, so just tap on it. So if you're specifically on a Samsung phone, you'll be able to copy text from here. So just tap on this text option and it will highlight all of the text on the screenshot. Now what you're going to have to do is just tap on text and then tap on show more result, tap on continue, and from here you'll be able to copy all of these texts. So long press on it, and as you can see here, you could easily copy the text from here. Now just tap on copy, and after copying the text, you could post it wherever you want. So let me just go back to my TikTok. And if I just head over to the comment section, I can just paste it like this. And as you can see here, the caption has successfully been copied and pasted. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.